case study was designed as part of a third-year psychology assignment for the University of Wales, Bangor, looking into the principles of learning within a classroom environment. It has become apparent that student engagement with university studies has been eroding over the years until presently there is a large proportion of the students studying in the universities who barely engage in the process of learning. This case study looks at principles which can be used to encourage the engagement of the learning process. Information is better encoded and remembered when it is delivered in multiple modes such as visual and pictorial, sensory modes such as auditory or visual, or media which consists of computers and lectures, than when it is delivered in only a single mode, modality or medium. It seems that as lecturers have a schedule to keep in order to ensure that all required information of the curriculum is obtained by the students before the examination period, sometimes the lectures contain too much information. It has become apparent that students are overwhelmed by an information overload which decreases the likelihood of the information becoming encoded into their memory, making it much harder for students to recall the information when it comes to the exams. Dual code provides richer and more varied representations that allow more memory retrieval routes. However, the information should not overwhelm the learner because the attention will split or the cognitive capabilities will be overloaded. Therefore, it is for the interest of the learner that information should be projected by using multiple ways rather than lecturing information at the students in the hope that they will remember every aspect of the 2-hour seminar. By using the dual code model and multimedia effects, a lecturer can create a stimulating environment for the students in which to learn. Having presentations to provide multiple modes of visual information involving pictures, diagrams and talking through what the material entails is a great way to get the students engaged. Sensory modes of video should be used to emphasize a point. This will encourage a quicker memory retrieval when looking back through the notes for revision. Encouraging members of the class to voice their opinions and get involved with the lecture, rather than be sat quietly making notes for the duration of the seminar, is also a great way to encourage a response and ensure information is being obtained. Questions and answers are a great auditory effect as students tend to listen in more to any questions they may not have thought of and what the answer might be given. Finally, humour seems to liven up the lecture and encourage retrieval if something funny happened, was said or was shown in a video. It encourages the modes to act in a way that is different to simply being spoken to. Therefore, lecturers should design the learning materials so that information gets delivered in multiple modes, modalities and media, but do not overwhelm the learner with too much to learn or too much to attend to, two primary causes of cognitive overload.